What if you could start a YouTube channel from zero, a completely blank channel, and go from 0 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers in a little over 2 months, 700,000 views, 10,000 hours of watch time, effectively monetize a brand new channel within just 2 and a bit months. How does that sound? Now, for everyone that's been watching this channel for a while, I promised that I would tell you my secret. So, around about 2 and a bit months ago, I was needing something different. I was needing to break out of a habit that I was currently in, and I wanted to experiment. I wanted some kind of case study that I could show my existing clients and future YouTube consulting clients that I could prove that I could start a YouTube channel and help grow a YouTube channel overnight. And so I started my own YouTube channel, which is all about cryptocurrency. Hi, I'm Alan and I'm the Crypto Rookie. That's my channel. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. And yes, over 2 and a bit months, I've grown it from 0 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers. It's got over 800,000 views. It's got nearly 10,000 hours worth of watch time. And by the end of this month, I will be applying to get it monetized going forward. That's the reveal. But over the next week or two, I'm going to be putting out videos. Those videos will teach you exactly how I started that YouTube channel, how I picked the niche, how I optimized the videos, the marketing, the branding, everything. I'm going to show you how you can go from 0 to 100 subscribers in a couple of weeks, from 100 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers in a few more weeks, and how you can get fully monetized within 2 months. If that sounds like something that you want to see, then hit the subscribe button, hit that little notification bell, and we will talk over the coming weeks as I go deep dive into these tutorials and show you exactly what I did, how I did it, and why. I promised I'd reveal this for you. So, there you go. It's my little secret. Hit subscribe, check out this playlist here, and I'll see you soon.